Fill missing numbers. Fill missing numbers.
6 7 7
You did it!
8 9 9 10 11
Select the different one. Select the different one.
Woohoo!
Wow! Who's ready to pop them with me? Count the numbers. Count the numbers.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 1 2 2
Perfect!
1 2 3 4 5
No.
5 1 2 3 4 4